In the dance between the masculine and the feminine, there is an eternal game unfolding. Women test men, not because they are cruel, not because they want to destroy him, but because they must. The feminine tests the masculine to see if he is stable, if he is strong, if he is truly who he says he is. Just as a storm tests the strength of a tree, she will test your character to see if you bend, break, or stand tall. You must understand, these are not attacks. These are invitations to rise, and if you collapse under the pressure, you are never the man she hoped you were. Let's look at the 4 ways she is testing you, and why you must be immovable like a marble statue standing in the chaos of a battlefield. 1. She challenges your authority. When she questions your decisions or tries to take the lead in situations you should own, she's not necessarily trying to take control. She's testing if you are willing to. This is the moment when most men stumble. They get defensive, they argue, or worse, they apologize for standing their ground. Imagine a captain steering a ship through a storm. The crew panics, the sea roars, and the wind screams. If the captain looks scared or unsure, the whole ship loses faith. Your woman is the crew, you are the captain. If she sees you waver, she begins to doubt, not because she wants to lead, but because she needs to know someone can. 2. She creates emotional chaos. Sometimes, for no obvious reason, she will stir emotions. She'll bring drama. She'll cry. She'll start a fire and watch to see how you respond. This is not insanity. This is nature's way of saying, "Can you hold the storm?" She is like the sea, wild, emotional, ever-changing. You must be like the mountain beside her, unshakable, still, watching her waves crash without losing your center. Do not react. Do not lose control. Simply be the silent force that absorbs the storm and doesn't flinch. 3. She withholds affection. There will be moments when she pulls away, emotionally or physically. You will feel it. A chill, a gap, a change in energy. It is not always about what you did wrong. Often she is pulling away to see if you'll chase her, if you'll beg, if you'll fall into neediness. But masculinity is not needy. Masculinity is not desperate. It is rooted. When she withholds affection, do not collapse. Stay grounded. Keep doing what you were doing. She is like a flame that flickers in the wind. If you stay still, the fire returns. If you chase it, you smother it. Like this lesson? Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic, on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be reminded every day of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful. And don't forget to activate the bell for notifications to stay up to date. 4. She tests your mission. A woman will try to see if she is more important than your purpose. She may tempt you to spend more time with her, to prioritize her over your goals. This is not because she doesn't believe in you, but because she wants to see if you believe in your path enough to defend it. If you abandon your mission for her, she loses respect. The lion must never stop hunting, just to play. Your vision, your purpose, your empire, that must come first. If she sees you choose that path no matter what, she will either rise to walk beside you or walk away. And either outcome is a gift. Final words. Do not resent these tests. Do not cry foul. Accept them. She tests you to see the truth of you. And if you pass, you rise in her eyes and in your own. You become not just a man, but a masculine force of nature. Solid, calm, anchored, stoic, a mountain among men. Now rise and hold the line. What kind of test do you feel you're facing right now?